Let's say it's warming up and it's time for some cucumbers and kefir, or cucumbers and sour cream. So here we go. A bowl, a cucumber, and my kefir, plus some dillweed, salt, and pepper. This is what the kefir grains look like, sort of like cauliflower. I believe I've showed this to you all before. You can use any kind of milk, and it takes just a few days on the counter, or it will go a little bit slower if you keep it in the refrigerator. I've poured some into a bowl. I'm also going to mix in just a little bit of apple cider vinegar to give it just a wee bit more tang, although kefir is generally tangier than yogurt. Just add a little salt, a little pepper, and some dill. Pour it over top of the cucumbers. And I usually let it sit out for just a few minutes and then enjoy. And that's it. I'll see you tonight for the reading of the next chapter in Being and Vibration. And there'll be recipes and information about kefir below this video. Thanks for watching.